I am the lady. This is Dumi. That's Atli. And we are adulting. Okay, guys, today we're doing something very exciting. As you guys can see, we are out of our office once again. I promise you, we have jobs. We do. I can confirm we have jobs. Today we're baking Dumi's birthday cake. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm hungry. Anything will do.
Right, so Dumi has specified that he wants a chocolate cake, so that's what we're going to try our best.
Turning 44 this year.
Shut up. So that's what we're gonna try and make him today. Yeah. No subscribers bought any of what we have in front of us. So if you want us to continue doing things like this, you will subscribe, you will comment, and you will share the video. This is the last time I'm asking. Cool. If you are not aware of who we are, then we have 2 other videos for you guys to check out, please. 3 other videos. 3 other videos to check out. Just go check out the channel, and we have an Instagram. Moving on to the fun part. Like always, we have a caveat. We can't just bake. We can't just bake. We're gonna do it blind, dumb, and mute.
What? Dumb?
Yeah.
Who's dumb?
Is dumb another way of saying mute? The dumb man. No, I promise you it is. It is.
When you can't say that.
No, I promise you it is. It is. They say instead of mute, I think they say dumb or something like that. I don't know. I promise you, it's not a medical term, but like it's a term. It's a thing.
Yeah, I don't agree with my lady's views.
Anyways, okay, fine. One of us will be gagged, one of us will be blindfolded, and one of us will be deaf. That is the video. Shall we get started?
Indeed.
Wonderful. Take up your...
This is the last time you're hearing from me, guys. So my final words are...
Cool. Okay. Let's start. What? Okay.
Naledi.
Like I said, guys. Okay, actually, I should
Naledi.
speak quiet so that I can hear myself. Okay. Or you guys can hear me because it's not loud on the mic, I'm sure. Anyways, so we have our first... We have the first thing on the ingredient. I'm going to read it so that I know what it is. And then I have to somehow communicate it to these two so that we can get this process going. Okay? Cool. So... Okay. 3. I can speak? What's the point though? Oh, you're right. Oh, I'm the only one that's deaf. I forgot. You guys need to sieve 3 cups of flour into this. 3 cups. 3 cups of flour. What? This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. No, thing. Okay. Okay. Yes, that's into this.
Where is it? Where?
He's saying wait.
Okay.
Oh, be still. Be still, dog. I don't think that's the most efficient way to do it, but...
A full one.
Flat cups, nah. Nah.
Is this flat?
Yes. Hold it, like flat.
It's not flat enough.
It's flat. Just hold the spoon flat. Yes. Okay, don't. Okay, now down. Yeah, you can do it with confidence. Okay, now take the handle of that thing and sieve. My ears hurt. Second cup.
Oh. You're supposed to.
But I can't hear what people are saying. That's half a cup. Wonderful. Give me my phone so I can open it for the next person. So you have to describe to us what comes after sifting this.
Bro, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Do you know? Wait. Do you know which one he's doing? Do you know which one I'm doing? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna switch the phone off, and then after we do ours, I'll tell you what to do. Does that make sense? Okay. So do you understand? Okay. Okay. Cool. There's sugar, Atlin. You can't see. I forgot to me can't read, dog. Hey.
That's messed up, my lady. Oh. I can feel someone will come in. Okay.
Yes. Is 1. 6. Oh. Into that. Got you, bro. Is it 6?
Oh, I must pull it.
By the way, this what you call this recipe is off of TikTok. So
Oh, I
if it
feel
doesn't
it.
come out. 4?
Oh, you're doing it. Okay.
And you know you're supposed to sieve this too, right? But anyways. You I need what? Oh, okay. No, you do this one. I need 1 cup of this into this.
1 cup of what?
And then I need 1 teaspoon. I'm pretty sure that means teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of this salt. Okay, buddy. Buddy. The cup of salt is on the counter in front of you with a teaspoon in it. That's 2 front. Anyways, and then cup, and then you're gonna sift a cup of Yay, well done. Into the thing.
Where am I putting it?
Yeah?
Where?
You're putting that into the bowl, the big bowl that we've been mixing in.
Can I do it now?
Huh?
Can
I'm not directing you, find it. You're on the we're done with the dry ingredients. Yep. Can Atli do the eggs?
Yes. 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 I want the eggs.
Okay. Dry ingredients and red ingredients have to be done in different bowls. So this is our other bowl. Yeah.
She said I must take it. Where is it? Where is it? Play it. Hit it.
Oh yeah, we have to mix the dry ingredients. What are you looking for?
He said I must take something.
The eggs. He's pointing at the eggs.
Oh.
Okay.
Give me the bowl to break
He's
them.
mixing the. Oh,
I want to break.
that's bad.
So I can just break them in here. Right?
Whimskit.
Bring my one. Bring my one.
Ew.
Bring my one.
What?
Bring the steel one.
Okay, I don't know what you're saying.
Do me. Bring the steel one. Yes.
Is that what he's asking for?
Yes.
Oh. We're doing milk. That's not a cup though. Is it? That's half a cup. Oh. Oh, half a cup of milk. Makes sense. We're doing great. Oh, that's for you. Hold the thing straight. Not the milk, the cup. The cup!
Is it not straight?
No!
Can I put?
The oven's not even on yet. We haven't mixed anything. We still have to make the icing. This is gonna take us all night, and I'm not prepared to be up all night. Listening to this dude. Can we change the music? Put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl. Cool. It's not I think you're getting confused. The numbers in front of the halves are actual measurements. It's not numbered. Does that make sense? Yeah, that's 1.5 cups. Look. It's the number 1.5. You can't. Why didn't I put the word and? I thought it was implied, you fool. 1.5. A half next to a 1 is half of 1.
Do me. You should know that though.
Also, the dry ingredients are numbered. Are you saying you were gonna read this as just cups of all-purpose
I didn't
flour?
finish school. How?
What did he say? What did he say? I'm so tired. I can't keep doing this. So I was right with the vinegar. How much vinegar are we supposed to put? 1.5. I thought so.
Papa. Wait. Papa. Papa. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's her, ne?
It's not my fault.
It's her, ne? It's okay.
You can't read.
It's okay.
Illiterate. And you spell illiterate.
ILL.
Hold back.
Okay.
Anyways. So it turns out it was 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. And then, yeah, more milk. This is for you. What? Oh. Yo, there's egg on my thing, bro.
Let me hold it.
Probably not a teaspoon to be honest with you.
Tell me when to stop. Do me.
Okay, just put it down. Put it down. Okay. Yeah, and then pour. With confidence, you can do the whole thing.
Why didn't you?
Wimsk kisses. Okay, to me, I need you to turn on the stove, heat oil. You're gonna melt the chocolate. You are gonna whisk half of this cream into the bowl. And you're gonna whisk it until it stiff peaks. That bowl, yes. Why are you signing?
Because you can't hear me, can you?
What?
Exactly.
You know what? Sort this out on yourself. By yourself. On yourself. Ah! What? What? Yes, heat oil. You're gonna heat a cup of oil into the pan. For the iPhone. What? No. Ew. Is this supposed to look like that? Wait, let go. Guys, I have good news and I have bad news. This is not whipping cream. It's like buttercream. Don't open your eyes, you. It's like buttercream without the sugar, which is a good thing. Yes.
So it means it's not gonna be as sweet.
It means our recipe is gonna be different. As in, we don't need the oil. Yeah. Oh, that's nasty. Stop! Sis. Okay, you know what? Oil, chocolate in here for 2 minutes. Yeah, that's a lot. Oil and chocolate. Yes, it's microwave safe. Yes. Okay, for 1.5 minutes. If it starts popping, I won't know. Can't hear you. You're gonna get a tablespoon and make sure it's warm it again. Ouch. Ouch! Crap. Warm it again, the plastic will be fine. How did it burn?
How do you burn chocolate? Bruh, yo.
That's burnt chocolate.
How do you burn chocolate?
I don't know. The plastic's not what burnt, by the way.
Naledi.
Oh, it's like burnt sugar. Oh, you know what we should have used? We should have used milk with this. That's what I forgot.
Take me with you.
Do me. You're leaving Auntie behind. He wants your help. Ouch! Oh, the oven is done.
Where are we going?
Anyways. Should I warm it again? I'm gonna warm it again.
Okay.
But I have milk in it now. Also, like, it looks ugly. I'm gonna warm it again.
No!
No, I put milk in it now.
No!
It looks less ugly.
No!
Huh?
No!
To me saying okay. Ouch, man.
If people...
Okay, so somehow, chocolate was wasted. How do we feel? You would think chocolate would melt though. Why did it go straight to burning? Sorry. Ouch. What? No, I want you I want to see you say it.
I'm worried.
What do you say?
I'm worried.
Okay, that's not how S looks, so I'm not.
I'm saying I'm worried.
What?
That's what I'm saying. I'm worried.
That's enough. Is that enough cake batter? I don't know. I think so. Ah! Frick! Oh. Yes. Are we making 2 tiers, by the way? Or are we making a solid cake? We're making 2 tiers. 2 tiers is like when cake is on top of. What do you mean? So that goes in the oven now? Yes. At 180 for 25 minutes. While we sort out this thing. Coolness. Okay, guys, the cake, we made something that looks like icing. It doesn't even look like icing, I'm lying. We made something that is gonna go on top of the cake. So all that's left to do is actually get the cake out of the oven. While you guys weren't here,
You seen this thing?
What? No. I mean, they saw it when we were recording, but it's in here now, so. Anyways,
This is not a chocolate.
that's not a chocolate.
We're not putting that thing in the cake, right?
So you want to eat dry cake? It's okay. Anyways.
Did you taste it?
You're going to. Yes, you're going
How
to.
is it?
It tastes like chocolate. Actually, we have a confession. There's not enough chocolate in the cake. Funny enough, like I mean, when you take it out, it doesn't look like a chocolate cake.
Let's taste.
I haven't seen it. So I
Yeah.
wanna see
So while you guys were looking, can you guys just let me finish? When you guys were looking, we made the second tier of the cake off camera and we cleaned up. So what's left to do is see the cake, assemble the cake, and then take the cake home. And yeah, that's literally it. So actually, you are the one who didn't see the cake. Can you please take the whole tray out of the oven?
Oh.
But it actually, even though it doesn't look. Oh.
Right, it looks like a cake. Right. So this layer burnt at the bottom. I suggest we put not burnt like why was it? Why am I getting away for this? No man. It's just browner than like us at the bottom. It's browner than him at the bottom. So it'll be the bottom tier, and then this will be the top tier. Because I think this cooked pretty much perfectly.
Guys, we didn't cook a cake.
You cooked what? What is this?
What is it?
This looks like.
It looks like the coffee brownie, that coffee cupcake. You know that
Cooked brownies.
It's not brownie. Brownie's brown. This is like tan.
We cooked.
Brownie, muffin, cake. Same WhatsApp group.
Yeah, it's cake at the end of the day. It's like. Can I get some ASMR support?
It's a joke.
It's hot.
Okay.
Hyatt! What's wrong with you?
I did.
That's one. It was gonna leave the blend.
Cease. Cease. Where's my plate? Oh my gosh. But like it looks like a cake. Yes. Let me not try.
Banana bread.
Well, it is a good thing we don't bake for a living. Because if we did, this would be an utter failure. Yeah, you guys can't taste the cake, but you saw the reaction, so you can guess if it was an actual happy birthday or not. Yeah. It was. It was a great time though, right? Great bonding moment, right? We learned to trust each other even if we can't see each other.
It's been so real. I'll see you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. What a time. What a time. Sure. Shucks.